I know we've been running about half yield and everything because I've only burned half as much fuel in the combine. Welcome back to Mid-10, y'all. Last day, last about 5 acres. Fingers crossed everything holds together. So it's lunch here. Took a half day off so I get done, move back to the house, and start putting stuff up today. Hopefully we'll get done today. Hopefully we'll. Let's just start by now. I apologize. I don't know how many videos I'm able to make out of the last 7 days of footage. I've been busy at work, and I'm behind on videos. I barely got one go out today, which is today's 9th. Barely got one out today. So, got one out today. I got one for Sunday, but I have not. I'm usually 3 weeks ahead at this point. I'm running video to video right now with work and everything else, and we've been busy and have not turned the cameras on much. And Alex, poor Alex, has got the daycare funk from the kids, and he is sicker than a dog. He sounds like garbage and feels like garbage, so I don't think he's turned the camera on much either. So, let's sorry about that. We're trying to get everything done, and he ain't felt good, and I've been busy and haven't felt like turning the camera on. Trying to get stuff done and keep him moving so we can get done with corn, because we just need to be done at this point. Get a pretty good picture of the hillside there. See what we have to work on here? Yeah, we planted some Kelly stuff. Keep moving on though. So with any luck, we'll be done today maybe. Get ready to start beans. Beans ain't ready yet. Our beans are close. I got one field that's pretty close. We'll go look at tomorrow. And maybe I'll start that this weekend, but I doubt it. I bet it may be a weekend, maybe middle of next week. It's still, of course, it's dried out here. So it says 3rd pass across this field here, and he's not full yet. This field ain't making much either. Better follow him. I did start to see a little top in that, a little bit in the top of that hopper, so. Maybe we get a semi-load out of it and the dump truck road, I don't know. Oh, what is this? There, this is not an ad, not a sponsorship. What is Foster Black Cherry drink? You locals. They got a local small strawberry. I ain't tell you which one it is because I don't want you messing the store up. I think he buys them at Walmart where he sells them. Like, it's actually a true 24-ounce soda. Tastes like an old fountain soda. Actually pretty good. $2, but a lot of drinks not $2 nowadays. So get you one of them. You got local guys know which store's close to Alex to me. That's the one we're going to. That's the ones that got it. Let's catch this load and see if we can get some corn cut. Do some praying for these people in North Carolina right now, East Tennessee and Georgia. Pray for these people in Tampa to try to get the load away too. That's all we can do for them right now. Welcome back to Mid-10, y'all. We just up here hammering on some corn. And the good news is I still feel like I mean, I still feel horrible. But on the bright side, we're on the last farm of corn. Looks like we got about 15 acres left. So, get this hammered out. Go back to see the doctor again. Give me some more meds. Get to feeling better. Cause I feel rough. But, you know, corn's doing meh. Corn's doing crappy like it's been doing. Nothing new there. I know we've been running about half yield and everything because I've only burned half as much fuel in the combine. And I've only burnt half as much in the dump truck and the semi. Which ain't moving a whole lot. But this good old head congestion, it's an A+ to make you feel like shit. And yeah, you'll look at this corn and think, oh man, it looks pretty good, but it's not. The ears aren't filled out. It's got decent height on it, but it's just not yielding good. But that is story this year. It's just not yielding good. So we're gonna take what we can take what we get. You know, go it again next year. I think we got about 15 acres of this farm left. I think that's about right. Corn harvest about over. We're getting the questions again about how we do all this, how we do what we do. I don't know. I really don't. Me and Alex both work 40 hours off the farm, and honestly, probably more than 40 hours at times off the farm. Because we both have cell phones. We both get calls after work and during work, and we answer emails after work. I'm in meetings sometimes. I think I'm in meetings in the tractor sometimes. So we're busy. Part of it. We got a YouTube channel, as you're watching now. We do social media. Yeah, takes a lot of time. Then we farm as much as we do. It's fun. The way I look at it is you can either try to grow and get bigger or not do this at all. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna complain about the good Lord giving us the ability to farm. We're gonna farm. We're gonna farm. Do what we can with what the good Lord provides us. Do the best we can with it. Try to get bigger. Maybe one day we ain't gotta have full-time jobs. But for now we do. Gotta pay it. Got insurance. Got kids. We got things we gotta pay for. So here we are. And in years like this, when the crop's bad, a full-time job helps a lot because I can still feed the kids and pay the bills. Hopefully, we'll see. I didn't say that because people think it's not possible to work 40 hours a week and farm and grow crop as much as we do. They get this, yeah, you're gonna spend a lot of time out here. I spend all my time out here, all my free time's out here. Great to see parked on that first slope right there. Sneak around here behind him. But to do this sacrifices. Vacation. I don't know what a vacation is. I ain't had one since I got married. And I've been married for since 06. So what is that? 18 years now. So for all you guys out there, just young guys, old guys, think you can't do this, you can do this. You can still make a lot of sacrifices. A lot of late nights, early mornings. I mean, I am honestly up most mornings by 3 o'clock in the morning right now. Yeah, I said 3 a.m. I'm up most mornings at 3 a.m. I'll sleep in until 3:30 or 4. Because I got to go to the gym because I'm old and I got to stay in shape. Because my job requires me to sit a lot. So I had to go to the gym in the morning. And I come back and do my cold plunge. Yeah, because I'm one of those guys that built a cold plunge. So I got a cold plunge I sit in. Fix myself breakfast and I go to work and I work 8 hours. And I come back home and go start again. As soon as I get done for the day, if I ain't done something on the farm, I'm in bed at 8 o'clock at night if I'm done. But I don't want to be everybody else. And if you don't want to be everybody else, you need to work unlike everybody else. That's what the plan is. Let him go past me there. I'm on the slope. I don't want to hang an auger. They're going to put this in the dump truck. Get something running downhill. So I get better control on this thing. Big car down a slope. Don't like it. Don't like it. Well, let's get up here and cut the last little dab and we can be done with corn. Oh, man. We got just a little old dab up here. And we'll be done. Amish neighbors been over there disking. That's it. Corn is done. We got just a little bit of dab back here in the back. All right, folks. We got her parked in the shed. So that's all the corn cutting, ain't it, Jack? Got it all done? Yep. So we'll catch you all later. Like always, the good Lord's will, catch you on the flip side.